Welcome to online classes of Mahatma Gandhi Government School, Seva. Today's topic is linear equations in one variable. In previous classes, we studied different types of numbers. Now we are going to study what is equation and what is equation with one variable. First of all, we are going to study what is variable. Variable means anything or any number or anything which have an unstable value, or the value of anything changes with time or according to the situation. Like that x, y, z. If I write 2x, then whenever the value of x change with time or with situation according to the needs of solution or whatever, the value of x will continuously change. That's why it's called variable. But 2, what is 2? 2 is constant. It means its value is stable. Whatever situation, wherever we place 2, the value of 2 will remain stable. But the value of x will change with time or according to our assumption. Another thing is what is equation. We studied earlier what is expression. Anything which has a combination of both, what both? Constant and variable is called expression. Like 2x plus 1 plus 3 plus 4 is an expression. It includes both constants and variables. What about equation? Equation has two criteria. There are two criteria to define that it's equation or not. First of all, there should be a presence of variable and constant like this, and there should be a sign of equal to. This is sign of equal to. Another thing, what is another thing? This part is called LHS is equal to RHS. LHS stands for left hand side and RHS stands for right hand side. What we do, the equation, the left hand side part is equal to right hand side. It signifies that the equation is true if RHS equal to LHS. Now we are going to discuss some questions. Let's 2x minus 3 equal to 7. Now we are going to solve this. What is variable here? X is a variable. How we will solve this? First step. We used to do one thing in solving equations. What? We have to place or arrange in that during our solution variables in one side and constants in one side. Step 1, what I said, that we have to arrange, we have to move variables to one side and constant to one side, or we can say in groups. Now if what I want to evaluate, what I want to find out the value of, that is x. So 2x. Now one another thing, if this side in LHS, if any number have or any variable have negative sign, if we transfer this variable to other side of the equation, the sign of the number will change. This is 3. Now if we move this to this side, it will change to positive. It will change to positive. 2x equal to 10. Now one thing we know, wherever we transfer a multiplied number with variable, it will change to division to other side, like that. X equal to 5. So the value of x came out is 5. If we place this 5 in this equation, then the value of both sides will be equal. That's called a tree equation. How? Now we know the value of x. If I place value of x in equation, what is the 5 minus 3 equal to 7. 2 5 ja 10 minus 3 equal to 7. 10 minus 3, 7 equal to 7. It means that the value we found out x is right. Now we further move to some complex questions about the equations. If I write that one of the numbers is 10 more than the other number, one of the number is 10 more than the other number. Another thing is also given. What is? Their sum is 74. Now we have to change this theoretical part into an equation first, then we will solve it. What is the question saying? One of the number is 10 more than the other number, but we don't know which number. There is a number and there is other number which is 10 times to other number, but we don't know the previous number or the first number. And another thing is saying that their sum is 74. The sum of these two numbers is 74. Now what we will do? First step, we will assume the first number. Let the first number is x. What will be the next? Second number? Second number will be, because the expression is saying that one of the number is 10 more than the other number. So x plus 10. So first number is x, another number is x plus 10. Now what is saying? Their sum is 74. The sum of these two numbers is 74. X plus 10 equal to 72. What I said, wherever we want to solve this type of equation, first we have to add or make to separate variables in one side and constants to other side, or the numbers to other side. What we have, whatever we want to evaluate, whatever we want to find, will remain in left hand side of the equation. Now we will add them. X plus x. What is this? 2x plus 10 equal to 74. Now this plus 10 will transfer to other side of the equation. What will happen? The sign of the 10 will change to negative. 74 minus 10, 2x barabar 64. Now what we will do? Because 2 has a multiplication with x. Now whenever the multiplied thing will transfer to other side, it will change into a division. Like x will remain there because we want to find out the value of x. 64 upon 2. What is 32? So the first, what is the value of x is 32. What we assume first number? That is x. So x equal to 32. What is the value of second number? It is 10 more than the first number. So x plus 10. What is the value of x? 32. 2. The second number is, this is first number, this is second number. 32 plus 10, what is 42. If we place 32 plus 42 equal to 74. Now we take another example. The perimeter of a rectangle. The perimeter. First, now we will take it. Question says the age of Sahil's mother is 3 times the present age of Sahil. After 5 years, sum of their ages is 66. So find out their ages. What's question saying? Age of Sahil's mother is 3 times the present age of the Sahil. What we'll do? First we will assume the number from where we have to start to frame a equation. What we don't know? The age of Sahil. What we know? The age of his mother. How? Age of his mother is 3 times the age of the Sahil. So we don't know the age of the Sahil. So age of Sahil, present age of Sahil. First step. What will be present age of Sahil? Let the present age of Sahil is X. What will be the present age of Sahil's mother? 3x, because the Sahil's mother's age is 3 times the age of the Sahil. Now what's saying? That the after 5 years, what will happen after 5 years? The age of Sahil will add with 5 in present age. Now present age is x, but after 5 years it will change to x plus 5. Now present age of Sahil's mother is 3x. After 5 years, 3x plus 5. What? Now his question is saying that the present age of Sahil and his mother sum out to 66. Now how we will frame that x plus 5 plus 3x plus 5 equal to 66. What I said that whenever we are going to solve this such type of equation, we have to add variables to one place and numbers to other place. Now x, 1x and 3x makes 4x, and 5 and 5 add to 10 equal to 66. So 4x plus 10 equal to 66. What we will do now? We will transfer this positive 10 to other side of the equation. That is 4x equal to 66 minus 10. 4x equal to 56. X equal to 56 upon 4. X बराबर 14. What is this? This is the present age of Sahil. So x बराबर 14. That is the present age of Sahil. After 5 years, what is the age of Sahil? X plus 5. So we will place the value of x in x plus 5. What will be? 19. 19 will be the age of Sahil after 5 years. Present age of his mother, Sahil's mother, is 3x. Place the value of x. What will we get? 3 into 14. 42 is the present age of Sahil's mother. After 5 years, 3x plus 5. So 3x into 14 plus 5 equal to 47. So what saying? That at present, their sum of their ages is 66. So 19 plus 47. 9, 6, 6. So the equation is right, because we be able to balance right hand side is equal to left hand side. What is right hand side? This, and this is left hand side. If we place the value of x, we will get both are equal. If I place 14 plus 5 plus 3 into 14 plus 5 equal to 66. 14 plus 5, 19, and 3, 42 plus 5, 66. Now 19 plus 47 equal to 66. 66 equal to 66. It means right hand side equal to, left hand side equal to right hand side. Now today's homework. Exercise 2.1 and 2.2. Do this exercise in fair copy and submit in school. Thank you.